guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and if you haven't already, what y'all waiting on, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and follow me. Social media, Style by Lady Cassia or Littleohfancyme. We do all things fashion on this channel, and I'm on the road to 2,000 subscribers, so y'all go ahead and take a second and hit that subscribe button. So today's video, we are going to be doing something a little bit different. Today we are going to be revamping this red blazer that I already had in my closet. So I have some stuff that I kind of want to revamp and kind of upkeep. I have some stuff that I want to sell, or I have some stuff that I might just give away. But I'm not sure of how I'm gonna do. I might get on here and do a live or something like that. But I'm gonna start off just kind of revamping some of the older things that I have in my closet. So first up is this red blazer. This red blazer is just a red plain pocketed blazer I got off of Etsy like a while ago. So I know the thing now is to go thrifting, but back then I got majority of my stuff off of Etsy. Like some of my good pieces were from Etsy. So first off, we are going to do this red blazer. Super cute. And then if you guys previously saw in my previous video, I did the DIY junk sock, and I have some of those pins left that came from Amazon. So I think I'm just going to add some pins to this jacket and kind of give it like just an up look for this blazer. So y'all stay tuned to see the blazer revamped.
Hey y'all, so I decided to jump on and just do a voiceover for this portion. So here I have the blazer laid out, and then I have those additional pins that I had left over in my junk socks video already laid out as well. So I have those L's, and then I have some black pins, some large, mediums, and small. And I have 2 sets of those, and then I have a couple of the white pins left, and then some of the circular pins as well left over. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do the black pins. I want something again a lot uniformed, so those have 2 sets, so I thought that would be better. So again, with the blazer, there's no particular way to do the blazer. You can do it just as well as the junk socks. Everything is definitely to your liking when you're doing these type of DIY videos. It's just all in your particular taste. So I kind of wanted everything to be uniformed. I'm going to do both sides of my jacket. So I thought it was best just to use the black ones because I had 2 sets, and then I have 2 of the L's as well. So I thought that would be something simple but still cute to go ahead and try out. So here I am just assembling the black pins, and I'm going to do small, medium, and large. Let's see how that looks. Maybe I can take it out and make them a little bit more neater, or maybe turn it around the opposite way to kind of put them in a little better. So here I'm just fidgeting around, trying to see what I want. Again, there's no particular order when you're doing these videos. Again, it's all to your liking. So let's try out some things. So now I'm going to just turn the pins around and then line them back up to make them a little bit more neater. And I'm just going to do that on the label of the jacket, kind of like the initial part of the jacket. So something pretty simple and easy, just a way to kind of revamp and up your blazer would be to add in these cute little pins from Amazon. Again, if you have not already, go ahead and check out my previous video and let me know what you think.
Okay, y'all, we are back. Here is the official look of the revamp of the blazer. So I feel like it gives being a little put together. It's giving classy. It's kind of giving like stewardess. You know how they get their little accomplishments on their jacket? I felt like this is kind of giving that a little bit. So I'm going to step up and show with you guys what I did to the blazer. So I went ahead and put those L pins on my jacket. For some reason, I just wanted everything to kind of be coordinated and cute. So I put the L pins on the jacket. I put the bigger ones on my other junk socks, but I had these leftover smaller ones, so I did go ahead and add them. And then I added in just the black pins. I left the other ones separate. I didn't want to do too much, so I just did the smaller one, the medium one, and then a larger one at the end. Kind of put together a nice little coordinated look. Kind of feels like accomplishment, super cute. And then of course the fall blazers are essential, and then they gear into the winter time as well. So as Christmas time is approaching, you can do this jacket for like a Christmas party. Super cute look put together. So that's why I kind of did the black. I felt like the black camisole underneath will kind of go cute, kind of coordinate for like a Christmas party. But of course you already know I'm going to put together a little look for this as well. So let me grab some shoes and share with you guys that look right now. So hold on. So I am back. Here are the red and black booties. These are super cute and they go perfect with this jacket. So let me go ahead and try these on. Let's see. So the red and black little booties go perfect with this blazer, and it's giving a look. It's giving like a date night, perfect for fall time as well as the Christmas time season. So y'all, that is literally all that I have for you guys today. I just want to kind of get on here and do like a revamp of the jacket and share with you guys today. So if you want any more of these videos, let me know down in the comments below, and continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.